There's a very long list of possibilities with these boxes. We pulled a few of them already. We did get a snakeskin the other day. It's actually a snakeskin autograph. What we've yet to pull has been a parallel of the stained glass inserts. So hopefully we can find one of those here in this break. We pulled 4 stained glass cards, but they've all been base cards so far. If you guys can hear and see me okay, if you wouldn't mind, give me a thumbs up. Or let me know it's all good to go and we will get started. I don't have very many people in this break. I think I had maybe 6 different bidders or so. So don't expect that we'll have a ton of people watching. 2021 Prizm Baseball. Got the Teal Wave, Carolina Blue, and Cosmic Haze Prizms. 44 cards per box. Anyways. Sammy, I see that you may be in here and a couple other people. You're the only name that's popped up on my end, but if you're all good to go, then we'll get started. Like I said, I think you got a few teams in the break and then just a couple other people, so there's not going to be too many people watching. So we'll go ahead and get it rolling. Thanks, Dennis. Actually, that last break ran a little bit long. I actually pulled 2 autos in the last box of that football break, and I wasn't expecting that, so got a little hyped up and distracted there. But anyways, we're finally here ripping some baseball. I meant to check too. I didn't have a second to do so, but it was 1-1 last time I checked the Dodgers game. But anyways, we got Zach Kinstry right off the bat. Got a ding up there. Luis Diaz rookie, Johan Oviedo, and Miguel Amaya emergent. So we got 3 rookies and emergent right off the bat. I was hoping the Cardinals win, but I figure a lot of people will be frustrated if that happens. Larry Walker, Walker Buehler, Dalton Varsho rookie for the D-backs, and a green rookie of Zach McKinstry to make up for that damaged base card. Carlos Correa, Starling Marte, and Michael Brantley. We got a green, looks like Fernando Tatis. Very nice. The greens tend to be a little off-center. This one's not too bad. Maybe a little thick on the left side, but it looks decent. It's got some good visible borders on every side. So some of them we've opened and it'd be like, where's the green at the top? There's like nothing up there, but that one looked okay. Show me some numbered cards. Tristan McKenzie, Ian Anderson, Miguel Ujiri, and a Lumber Incorporated Aaron Judge. So 3 rookies and an insert there. I do like that when it's all said and done each night, breaking Prizm Baseball, I've literally got probably double to triple the amount of rookies and inserts as I do base cards. Rafael Devers, Javi Baez, got a fearless insert of Jose Altuve, and a silver Monte Harrison for the Marlins. Silver looks pretty good, a little thick on the top, but nice shiny silver there. Usually get a couple silvers per box if I remember correctly. That last pack at the bottom is going to be loaded with all those different colors. Braylon Marquez, Alex Kirilloff. Here's our auto coming up. I believe it's upside down. Oh, it's numbered out of 50. 42 of 50. Ooh, Jose Garcia for the Reds. We'll take it. I forget what the 50 parallel is. Oh, was that Teal Wave, maybe? That is a sweet looking card. The red clashes with the teal a little bit. Mama probably wouldn't let me wear that out as a kid, but pretty cool. Either way, got a rookie class Ryan Mountcastle insert. Andre Scrub, Edward Olivares, old school Sandy Koufax, and a silver stargazing Trey Turner for the Nationals. Wonder how long ago they printed this stuff. It's crazy to think that at one point, I saw this photo the other day, so I don't have credit for this thought, but Trey Turner, Bryce Harper, and Juan Soto have all been on the same team. It kind of blows my mind. Jim Tomei, Giancarlo Stanton. Ooh, that's a sick looking card. Mike Piazza, Blue Mojo out of 199. Very nice. For the Mets, we got a Sluggers George Springer. You can put anybody from the Blue Jays on a Sluggers insert this year. Those guys were just popping the ball. I didn't follow them too closely, but I can only imagine their pitching was the problem. Because looking at some of their stat lines as far as like hitting goes, they had some crazy numbers. Alright, here we go for all the parallels. We got Carolina Blues first, DJ LeMahieu, Ozzie Smith, Josh Hader, and Andres Jimenez. Cosmics are Nolan Arenado, Mike Yastrzemski, Chris Buick, rookie for the Royals, and Robin Yount. Got Teal Waves of Garrett Cole, Corey Seager, Nelson Cruz, and a Bo Bichette. That's not too bad. Be his second Prizm card, I believe. We did not get very many rookies. I've had a bonus pack that had 8 rookies in it. For the most part, we usually get 6. We get 2 rookies of each, but I think that pack we only got 2 total rookies, so that's kind of odd. Anyways, we'll roll on to the next box. First auto was out of 50, so that was sweet. This is actually the last 4 boxes from that sealed case, so I think I have another break listed, but it's just like loose boxes that I've purchased over the course of the last couple weeks. Sometimes the loose box breaks can be better, because if they're from like different cases or something, you might get lucky and get a couple of the nicer boxes from 2 different cases, and maybe have a couple extra number cards than you would normally have in a break or something. Where's packs all in there? Coming out every which way. Jack Morris. Jonah Heim, rookie. He's got that ding again. It's the same ding. It's almost like they have a machine that consistently hits those cards by mistake or something. Not numbered. Jordan Yamamoto auto there. Probably going to be a pretty bland one, the look of the back of it. Yeah, just a base auto. Nothing crazy. And Tristan McKenzie rookie class for the Indians. Alex Verdugo. Got a Jared Oliva rookie. Corbin Burns. And a Sluggers Mike Trout. Take it. Some of the card qualities I noticed on the, especially the rookies, are not great. I don't know if they cut them all from the same sheet and had some issues or what, but Notice a couple of those little dings we talked about, and it's not looking the best. Ryan Castellani, George Springer, got an old school Johnny Bench insert, and a Nolan Jones silver emergent for the Cleveland Indians. I think Wander Franco's got a card in here. I've heard Kelnick's got a card in here, but I have not pulled a single Kelnick this whole case. So I don't know if he's got like a special insert or what. Daniel Lynch, Pete Alonso, Pedro Martinez. We have a green. Oh, green Pedro Martinez. It might have a little fuzzy on it there. That green actually looks pretty decent. I can't, like with the naked eye, I can't tell whether one side is any thicker than the other. Not that somebody would go try to get a green Pedro Martinez Prizm card graded, but it is a tier 3, if that makes any difference. I still haven't figured out what that means. I will say we don't pull a lot of Pedros, so maybe it's a little bit of a rarity there. I always want a card to be nice and centered just for basic eye appeal. You got Zach Gallen, Trevor Story, Sherman Apostle rookie for the Rangers, and a Bobby Witt Jr. emergent. I think that's the first time I've seen him in a Panini product. I'm sure he's in other sets, but first time I've held the card in my hands. I think he's going to be a pretty solid player. I don't know how poised he is, but he has been putting up some numbers. Ronald Acuna Jr., Jake Woodford, Willie Castro, another green Ronald Acuna Jr. Sweet. Very nice. That's not a tiered card, just a basic. Austin Meadows, Dalton Jeffries rookie, Brady Singer rookie, and Lumber Incorporated Freddie Freeman for the Braves. There we go. We got a Jared Kelnick rookie. First, I'm pretty sure that's the first one I've seen. Man, I'm telling you, some of these cards, it's got the little scratch behind him. Robin Yount, this one's got a ding up there at the top. Can't really see much on the Fearless insert because it's got so much going on. It's Joey Gallo. Got a Ralph Kiner silver old school insert for the Pirates, it looks like. Pittsburgh. That is a kind of a cool looking card though, just kind of the silver on the gray. Looks pretty sweet. Alright, here's our bonus pack. Hopefully we get more rookies this time. Carolina Blues, Luis Campusano, Spencer Howard, Mickey Moniak, and Jesus Sanchez. So 4 for 4 rookie-wise there. Cosmics, we got Jim Thome, Andre Scrub, Andres Jimenez, Daz Cameron. So 3 out of 4 there. We got Devi Garcia, Teal Wave. Oh, Bobby Dahlbeck, nice one. Jose Altuve, and Jazz Chisholm. So that was a very good bonus pack there. Got 8 or 9 rookies out of that one. Dahlbeck, Jazz Chisholm. Mickey Moniak was in there. Does anyone know whether or not the Dodgers-Cardinals game is over? I know probably an hour ago it was tied 1-1. I'm assuming it's over because it was like the 8th inning, but also never know if they could have went to extras and still be goofing around. I was hoping the Cardinals won because I have a friend coming down on Friday who we could probably watch a Cardinals game and have some fun. But I got a bad feeling those Dodgers are pretty good. No. Oh, dang. I had a weird feeling that was going to happen. Crazy stuff always happens in wild card games. That's alright. I guess we'll watch whoever's playing on Friday. I'm assuming it'll be what? I guess you got the Brewers, the Giants, the Dodgers, and I don't even know who the other team is. Braves, maybe? That may be the other side. Got all these packs out from the bottom. Jonathan India rookie. Jesus Luzardo, Shirt and Apostle. And emergent Nolan Jones. Jeff Bagwell, Dansby Swanson, Fearless Whit Merrifield, and oh nice Joey Bart silver rookie class insert for the Giants. Trevor Larnach, Shohei Ohtani, Aristides Aquino, another Zach McKinstry, green. Kyle Hendricks, Brent Rooker. Got our auto here. Oh, out of 10. 5 out of 10. Ah, Mitchell White is a pitcher. Man, I was hoping some monster slugger. Ooh, doggy. Card looks a little bit off-centered for being a gold. Dang, this has been a good case. We got a snakeskin auto, 2 or 3 other numbered autos, and now a gold auto for the Dodgers. Man. We got a Sluggers, Manny Machado. Man, I would expect them to be like watching those cards being printed on those shorter print runs, like for the golds and stuff. That one's thick on the left, and it looks like super thick on the bottom, but I can't tell for sure how the card's designed. Based on the back, it's not crazy off. Number 5 of 10. Wow. Sweet. Haven't pulled a gold in a little while. That was very nice. Fancy, fancy. Maybe Mitchell White was, maybe he pitch hit the home run tonight. Maybe we got lucky. Frank Thomas, Pavin Smith rookie, Alec Baum rookie for the Phillies, and a Fireworks Kyle Lewis insert for the Mariners. Jonathan Stever rookie, Jake Woodford, Kwang Yun Kim, and a Fearless silver of Paul Goldschmidt. Maybe that's actually green. I always get them confused because the green inserts tend to have a ton of silver in them for some reason, but I think that is a green Paul Goldschmidt. That's a sharp-looking card, though. It makes me wonder the amount of numbered cards that we've been getting out of these breaks. I know the set's big and there's tons of parallels. It makes me wonder if they really didn't print a ton of these boxes. I don't know. I'm sure they did. Randy Rosarina, Craig Biggio, Jonah Heim rookie for the Rangers, and Ian Anderson rookie class for the Braves. Still waiting on the old stained glass insert. Haven't got one of those this break. Isaac Paredes rookie, George Springer. Got a Babe Ruth old school. And a silver rookie of Braylon Marquez for the Cubs. Decent photo there. Alright, time for some bonus pack action. Carolina Blues, Cosmics, and Teal Waves. Jeez Louise. We got like 9 rookies. 9 rookie cards out the last bonus packs. Let's see how many we can snag this time. We got Trevor Larnach, Frank Thomas, Alex Rodriguez, Joey Gallo, Craig Biggio. Well, we're not going to break the record, so already got 4 vets. A couple decent ones, though. Jonathan Stever rookie, Anthony Santander, Luis Patino, Alex Verdugo, Teal Wave, Jared Oliva, Teal Wave, Tyler Glasnow, and a rookie of Joe Adell. So not a bad one to end on there. The last bonus pack was loaded with rookies. We got a little spoiled, I guess. Alright, last box to go. I'd be surprised if we had another numbered card with the amount that we've already gotten out of this case. It'd be really cool if we did, though. Packs for days in there. Old Mark McGuire, Jose Ramirez, Joey Gallo, and Hyesung Kim, rookie class insert. I'm sorry, Mr. Kim, I probably butchered your name there. Tanner Houck rookie for the Red Sox, David Peterson, Mike Schmidt, and Francisco Lindor fireworks insert. Striking out so far. Haven't got any color yet. Trevor Bauer, Shane Bieber, Nick Neidert, rookie, and Christian Pache green for the Braves. Ramon Urias, Ramon Laureano, Josh Fleming, and Stargazing Bryce Harper. I hear a train coming in the distance. I don't think we'll be able to get through the box in time. Jose Garcia rookie, Charlie Blackmon, a fearless Nolan Arenado. We got a silver rookie of Kohai Arihara, the Rangers. Garrett Cole, Dylan Carlson rookie. Oh man. Another pitcher, Josh Fleming for the Rays. Just a basic auto there. We got another Joey Bart rookie class insert. We had two pretty nice autos numbered, and then two base autos, I believe. Corey Seager, Alex Rodriguez, a Dane Dunning rookie for the Rangers, and Zach Gallen green for the D-backs. Last pack here. This box has probably been the worst so far. Ryan Weathers rookie, Nate Pearson, Illumination Cody Bellinger, and a championship stage Jake Arrieta for Chicago. Man, we didn't get a stained glass card. I can't remember if you can get inserts in the bonus pack or not, but it's going to be our last chance. We opened 20 mega boxes from this case and only got 4 base stained glass cards. It was almost one per break, and we have yet to get one in this break, so that's kind of lame. When I see people pulling random numbered stained glass cards in different Facebook groups and stuff, not sure why we couldn't do the same. Another Zach McKinstry rookie, Lewin Diaz, Tyler Stevenson, Mickey Moniak, Ian Anderson, got Carlos Correa, Cody Whitley, Josh Hader. There's an Andrew Vaughn teal, Devi Garcia, Nick Madrigal, and Kohei Arihara. So we got quite a few rookies in there. Andrew Vaughn probably one of the better ones, but I'll go ahead and do a recap. Since that was our last pack and those were tons of rookies, you guys have seen that one, so I'll do the recap inclusive of the other cards, and then I'll sleeve and top load all the other ones after we hop off here. But along with those rookies we just got, we had a bunch of other stuff. We got Zach McKinstry green, Fernando Tatis Jr. green, Monte Harrison silver, Trey Turner silver stargazing. Got a Jose Garcia, looks like a teal wave auto out of 50. Very cool. Mike Piazza, blue mojo out of 199. That's what that one was. Bo Bichette, teal wave. Chris Wubik, cosmic. Andres Jimenez, Carolina blue. Got a Mike Trout sluggers insert. Jordan Yamamoto, debut signatures. Nolan Jones, silver emergent. Pedro Martinez, green tier 3 card there. Bobby Witt Jr. emergent. Ronald Acuna Jr. green. Old school Ralph Kiner, silver insert. Jazz Chisholm, tier 2. Like I said, I don't know what tiers mean, but that's a teal wave. Debbie Garcia, teal wave. Bobby Dahlbeck, teal wave. Not a tiered card. Andre Scrub and Andres Jimenez, cosmics. And Jimenez is a tier 2. I'm going to have to do some more research on that. I'm not sure what that refers to. Yeah, I would think it would be some sort of rarity of the card, but some of these guys I pulled just as normal as the other ones. Daz Cameron, cosmic. Luis Campusano, Carolina blue. Spencer Howard, Carolina Blue. Mickey Moniak, Carolina Blue. Jesus Sanchez, Carolina Blue. Joey Bart, Silver Rookie Class. Zach McKinstry, Green. Had a gold rookie auto of Mitchell White for the Dodgers. Fearless Green, Paul Goldschmidt. Braylon Marquez, Silver. Joe Adell, Teal Wave. Jared Oliva, Teal Wave. Cosmics of Luis Patino and Jonathan Stever. Carolina Blue, Trevor Larnack. Got a green, Christian Pache. Kohei Arihara, Silver. Championship Stage Silver of Jake Arrieta. And our other auto was Josh Fleming, base auto for the Tampa Bay Rays. And like I said, this was just our last little rookie bonus pack there. Andrew Vaughn, Devi Garcia, Nick Madrigal, Kohei Arihara, Cody Whitley, Zach McKinstry, Lewin Diaz, Tyler Stevenson, Mickey Moniak, and Ian Anderson. We might have broke the record there. I think we got 10 rookies out of 12, so that was a nice pack to end on. But I'll sleeve and top load those as well. Just want to get you guys a recap so you don't have to watch me do all that for 2 minutes. But anyways, y'all take it easy. I'll ship all the cards out tomorrow, so hopefully you guys are getting them early next week, possibly Saturday if you live close enough to me. But either way, y'all have a nice Thursday. If you need something, holler at me, and we'll catch you later. See ya.